This is Marcus with Velocity Micro, bringing you PC anatomy in under a minute. These videos will include a high-level definition of what a part is and how it functions, what you should look for in a part depending on your build, and a tip from the experts at Velocity Micro. Your motherboard is the foundation of the build. It defines what components you can make use of. All roads lead back to your motherboard. Despite this, motherboards are where most people try to save some money, as they're not doing any actual processing. You want a motherboard that is compatible with all of your other parts. Then, you can shop for motherboard features. The denomination of your motherboard is defined by the processors it's compatible with. Through BIOS updates, old motherboards can utilize new CPUs, but it's a bit of a delicate process, in the building phase at least. It may be worth shelling out the money for a motherboard that is compatible with your CPU out of the box if you're uncomfortable flashing the BIOS. And that's it. Consider us for your next PC if you're not building, but if you are and need some more info, don't sweat it, because